Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to process bonuses and compensations in Gusto. Bonuses and commissions are a great way to reward your team, but they need to be processed correctly. Now Gusto gives you the flexibility to handle these payments with ease. Now let's go over how to get that done. Step 1, decide when to pay the bonus or commission. Now you've got two options: add it to a regular payroll run, or you can process it through an off-cycle payroll if it's a one-time or a separate payment. Now we'll go over both approaches. Step 2, during a regular payroll run. Now if you want to include the bonus or commission in a regular payroll run, what you need to do is head to the payroll tab, and then you're going to click on run payroll, and now you're going to select the current pay period. And when entering an employee's pay info, you want to look for a field labeled as bonus or commissions. Now you can enter the correct amount, and Gusto will automatically calculate applicable taxes. Now this keeps everything bundled into one payment. Now to pay through an off-cycle payroll, if you rather run the bonus or commission separately, just go to payroll and then more payroll options, and then run off-cycle payroll. Now you can choose the pay date and select the employees, and you can enter the bonus or commissions under the appropriate field. You also see an option to adjust how taxes are withheld, either flat rate or based on W4 settings. Step 4, add notes. Now you can add a description or a note like quarter 1 sales bonus or holiday commissions. That's just to keep things organized, and this shows up on the pay stub sub 2. Step 5, review and submit. Now carefully review all payments, amounts, and taxes, as well as once confirmed, you're just going to hit submit payroll. Gusto will handle the rest, including direct deposits and taxes. And that's how you process bonuses and commissions in Gusto, whether it's a reward for hard work or a quarterly payout. And now you can make it happen with confidence. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.